Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered. Welcome back to another video. And as you see, I'm in my driveway. I've got the F-150 over there, and a lot of the Mercedes, they're all over there. But what this video is about, and this is just going to be kind of a quick video. Today being May 2nd, tonight is a cruise night. It's probably one of the biggest cruise nights in this region here in northeast Nebraska. The Blair cruise night. It's kind of a non-sponsored event, although a lot of businesses and everything have actually are now participating, and so it's expected to be somewhere. Last year there was around 120 cars, and I didn't get the opportunity to go. However, I'm going to go. I'm going to take a car and I'm going to drive in the cruise night this evening with my wife. Hopefully she's going to go, and I hope to take a lot of pictures along the way, of some of the cars, and kind of maybe talk a little bit about it. So it may be more of pictures I talk on another video, but what I'm going to drive is behind that door, and I forgot to bring the key out, so I'll speed up while I run in and go get the key, and then I'll come back out and we'll open up the door, and out comes the car that's going to be driven in the cruise night. And we're doing some work on it because there's a few things that I need to finish up. I'm going to clean it up and even polish the car. I haven't had the opportunity to do a paint correction on it, but we're going to do it as it is. I mean, it's all my cars are project cars, and so we're just going to run with it. So be back shortly. And folks, quite frankly, it's already warmed up. It was 32 degrees at 7:30 this morning, and it's 11 o'clock, and it's now, and I believe the temperature is somewhere in the neighborhood of 60 to 62 degrees. All right, here we go. Now, last weekend, Huey was here, and we already took the hard top off. So I'm going to get the car out, and then we'll start working on it. Now, I want to tell you, last week when we were working on this, I had an ABS light, a traction control light. I had a dash full of lights. Well, come to find out, we ran the scanner on it. It showed low voltage, and I'm just going to point out that if you watch this video, none of the lights are on the dash now. So let's undo this, and let's put the top. Let's take and open up the top so I don't bump my head every time I get in it. All right. There you have it, folks. 2002 Ford Thunderbird. Gonna do some cleanup on it and get it ready for cruise night. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.